Dark Enchantress Cookie! No!
So the first cookie, we have Adventure Cookie. So he's kind of cool, I guess, but like, he's like a C tier. Cause come on, hold up, I have to do something real quick. Dang it, sorry. Add a row below. Oh, wait, no. Ew. This is gonna be Anyway, next one, Alchemist Cookie. I strongly dislike Alchemist Cookie because there's like, actually it goes like this, yada yada yada. Like, shut your. Second, oh yeah, this, not a B tier. I'm sorry, it's just a scroll. A tier. He's like, you're coming with me. I've seen so many meme videos where it's like one cookie and it's like, hello, what would you like? And then he's like, you're coming with me. And it's just a mugshot for. And there's just a mugshot of them.
Dark Enchantress Cookie! No! No!
Okay, this is annoying. Oh, look who's next. Yeah, you're gonna go right next to your father. No, an S tier. Reset the whole thing, no. Daddy Cacao. So hard to scroll. And hold up, it's broken. I'll put you in B tier. Not that bad. Fig, I strongly. Oh no. I'm gonna have to cut that part of the footage out. I don't know. I just don't like Fig Cook. Now, Gingerbread, on the other hand, you can go with. You can be the worst of the worst. Ooh, Hollyberry. Hollyberry is an A, B tier. Hollyberry is B tier. Let me. Jesus Christ. No. No, I just don't. No, I just don't like you. Ooh, I don't even know who you are. I don't really know what you are or who you are, so I'm just gonna. I'll deal with you later. Wait, didn't I already put Caffeine Cookie on this tier list? Weird. They saved the best for last, I guess. D-I-N-D-M-E. Latte. Latte's decent. I'll say that. I'll give Latte a B tier. No, Onion Cookie's just a bitch. Like, for real, is just a whiny baby. Nobody likes you. Lilac, on the other hand. You know, hit me without. None. Mala sauce. I don't mess with you. Mango. I don't even like mangoes, but I'll put you in C tier. Milk. He needs some milk. Oh, I'm not ranking you yet. Mint. Is this mint chocolate or just mint? I think that's just mint. Am I tripping? Is that mint or just mint? Is that mint chocolate? I'm just gonna put you in C tier. What did I just put there? Oh. Whoever slipped their way in, lucky you. Oh my god, I kind of love Marshmallow Bunny. He's like, I'm just a little guy. Put you in B tier. Put you in B tier. Protein! Protein! Oh my god! Oh my god! Protein! S tier, not protein. Yeah, that's right. And if you're questioning me, yes, I do watch OJ plenty. Too bad I can't get to see his streams though. You know what? I'm gonna have to rename this from Angel Cookie. It's just straight up bad. Oh my god, I love Pancake Cookie. Pancake Cookie is my third favorite cookie in the game. Wait, no, second favorite. Yeah, third favorite. Third favorite. So I'm gonna put him in him. I actually don't know what gender they are. You are you're the same thing as Onion. You're a scaredy cat. You suck. Well, like, have you ever seen their loss animation? Well, like, shut up and get out. I swear to God, some of these cookies I've already ranked. I didn't. I'm tripping. Honestly, I just don't like. I've ranked Milk Cookie. Mess up my rank system. I don't know who you are, so I'm gonna put you in bad. Oh, you're just a silly little guy. Like, to be honest, he is just a silly little guy. I'll put you in A tier. Pomegranate cookie? No, I don't mess with you. Now, pure vanilla cookie is mid. Like, for real, he's really mid. So I'm gonna put him in B tier. Mwah. Come here. Come here. Go along. Run along now. Now, you're not in the best tier because the only reason he's not in the best tier possible is because that was specifically made for my beloved. For him. That's actually what I meant to do. No. Nope. I am obsessed with Red Velvet. Because not only do I like Red Velvet Cake overall, it's just like such a cool character design. You are not supposed to be in B tier. I know that for sure, but whatever. Red Velvet, like get in there, bro. I'm just gonna do a little speed run now. For the bad cookies that I just don't like whatsoever. Just a little speed run. Just a little speed run. Just a little speed. Just a little speed run. It's super duper tiny. No, I don't care if you're offended by my choices. I hate, and I mean this, hate. Not hate. I don't hate. Hate, whatever. I hate this one right here. So I want to pound you to a pulp. I'm not doing. Wait, did I accidentally do a seasonal cookie? No, I'm not doing seasonal. Now, I wonder if they actually really have every single cookie. Well, they have Awakened Daddy Cacao and they have regular Daddy Cacao. Question: there will be part 2 of this video. My phone is definitely gonna die. So do we like regular Daddy Cacao or Awakened Daddy Cacao better? Or do we like the original Daddy cookie? Which daddy's better? This daddy, that daddy, or that daddy? I know some of y'all are gonna be saying, like, daddy's not a daddy. But you know who is daddy? You know who's my daddy? My favorite cookie? My beloved. Oh, you're supposed to go in there. My beloved sorbet. Love you so much. You're my favorite cookie in the game. So yeah, so this is gonna be it for now. And thank you for watching. I guess see you in the next version of this video. Just a little screenshot for that.